here at Chattahoochee Bend State Park in the Piedmont region, which is located about 20 miles east of Newnan, in between Columbus and Atlanta. The Chattahoochee River starts in the Blue Ridge region of Georgia. It's actually fed by a cold water spring, so it just comes out of a really little hole in the mountain, and then it comes down, and by the time it gets to us, we have this big, giant, wide river. But it flows through the Blue Ridge region and also through the Piedmont region and goes through the coastal plains of Georgia, and eventually it empties out into the Gulf of Mexico. During its travel to the Gulf of Mexico, it forms a border between Alabama and Georgia. The Native Americans, specifically the Creeks, would use this river for resources and fish and food. Then the European settlers, when they came, they used the river for the same reasons. And then up until the steamboat era, they actually were using the river between the Gulf of Mexico and to Columbus for trade of cotton. Anything from Columbus up further north had to be during a wet and rainy season. Otherwise, during the summer when it was dried up, the waterfalls in between were just impassable. Most of the trade was from the Gulf of Mexico to Columbus, and then Columbus on the way to Atlanta. Actually, all the way into Gwinnett County was more the transportation of people. So today the river is used for many different reasons. Most of it is being used for recreational use, boating, fishing, stand-up paddleboarding, things like that. The river is also used for industrial reasons. We have a power plant across the river that is by Georgia Power, and they actually use the water in forms of thermal cooling. They pull the water from the river to actually cool their equipment. We also use the river for agricultural reasons, farms that will pull the water from the river and actually give water to their crops in that way. The Chattahoochee River is home to lots of different plants and animals, one being our resident bald eagle that we have here at the park. We also have a family of beavers that feed their stream into the river. And alongside the river we have animals. We have a family of otters living on the river. Inside the river we have dozens and dozens of species of fish, bass, catfish. Down the river we have trout and turtles. We have sliders, the alligator snapping turtles. And then we have different species of snakes. And around here we have the venomous cottonmouth snake.